Yo, what's good, guys? I'm actually in my car right now. I'm a little early to the thrift store, so I decided to actually open up a package from Supreme that I picked up off just through my phone on the app. As you can tell, the box is hella small, so you probably already know what it is, but I'm gonna open it anyways. But yeah, this is gonna be a trip to the thrift. This is gonna be a trip to the thrift number I don't know. Once again, you see it right there, peeking the Supreme bag. Took it out. I feel it already. I was kind of hoping it was gonna be in a box, but I guess it's just like in a wrapper. But yeah, the Supreme bag once again. Oh shoot! This time it actually came with a pin instead of just stickers. So the stickers are right here. It came with two this time. Last time you guys obviously saw there was just one. It came with two box logo stickers, and then this pin. I don't know if you can see that. It says gross, and then on the edge it says Supreme, like really small right there. But yeah, and then this is obviously what I picked up. It's a marker. On the other side, it has the big Supreme. I actually don't like how they did that, because now I can't show you guys the big Supreme logo without opening it. I don't want to open it because I don't know if I'm actually gonna keep this. But yeah, it says super color right there. It is the Supreme. It is the Supreme Pilot marker. There you go. Just got it a little more clear for you guys. See right there, Supreme super color Pilot. Probably gonna be for sale, so if you are interested, just hit your boy up on IG. This pen is actually pretty tight. This pin is actually pretty tight. I might actually use it, but yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. Yeah, it's almost time. I got like 2 minutes before the thrift store opens. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. My allergies are killing me. New age full Jordan jumpsuit. I've never seen this before. 60. Another Stussy snapback. $6. I got this pretty basic vintage Nike jacket, but they're asking for 20. All it has is the little check right there. No way. And then I found these two American Apparel hoodies. These actually are pretty expensive, so these are only $3. I might scoop these. People might want to buy these. Let's see. Missing the tag, but you could tell it was a white Screen Stars tag. Phantom of the Opera. Scoop. Oh my god. Y'all see the logo. Size medium, in my size. These are Cab Amped joggers. You see the tag on the inside right there. Size medium, made in Japan. $10? If you know the brand. You know your boy came up. Also found this bootleg Nike striped tee with the buttons. The taxes. $14.99, but I'm still gonna pick it up. Stripes and Nike. Always gotta scope. We got these two Levi's jackets. Taxing though. I'm gonna have to pass on that. 34 for a shirt, but the wash was better. I probably would have picked up, but probably gonna pass. Stussy money. Snapback. This is a pretty clean 49ers Lee. That's weird. It says Lee, but it says Nutmeg right there. 1995. Not too bad. New Age Champion tee. Probably gonna pass on this one. Just found this Tommy Hilfiger Panda for $4. Probably gonna pick them up. It's only $4. Add them to the collection. Double XL vintage Nike windbreaker. It's a little plain. They're asking for 12. There's no like nothing on it except that little Nike logo. I'm gonna leave it. We got these two Nike windbreakers. This one's a little plain. This one is crazy. Look at the lining. It's got it on the arm too. For sure picking this one up. I'm gonna pass on this one. Yo, I didn't even realize the back was that crazy. Oh my god. Vintage Nike, $6. Super plain.
Picking this up for sure. It's like in brand new condition. We got the Jordan 10s right here with the pan leather. I don't know if I'm gonna pick these up. They're asking for 40. Look at this vintage Chicago Bulls cabbie hat. Chicago Bulls in the back. These don't go for much. We got these Air Maxes right here with like a zebra 3M. Size 8.5. They're asking for 25. These are newer, but they're actually not too bad. Found this 1996 Atlanta full jumpsuit. It's women's. Look at the pockets, like the inside, and then it has that like fully inside on the top. Maybe sweet, $4, comfy for the boo boo. We got this vintage Polo Ralph Lauren jacket, pretty basic, 25. Look at this Broncos leather, Super Bowl champions. It's pretty tight, but they're taxing 50. Can't do it. This is a pretty crazy Adidas like denim beanie. $5. The vibe is pretty tight. We shall see. They got this pair of red Tech Fleece joggers, size small. I copped these. They're asking for $8. And then this one right here is double XL. Kind of crazy print. Not too sure about this one. And then I found a gray tag, size XL, and the teal. Nothing too crazy, nothing on it, but it is a great tag, so we'll see what I scoop. Bootleg Baby Milo. It's actually pretty tight though. Bootleg Supreme box leather. So bad. Jeez. Found this vintage Epiphone guitar tee. See the big E right there. And then I found this dead stock Tommy tee. Pretty crazy to find it with the tag, but look how much they asking for, bro. No way. Another dead stock Tommy tee with the tag again. They're asking for the same thing. Oh, wrong tag. They're asking for the same thing. $11.99. It's got the big TJ on the chest, and it's got Hilfiger denim on the sleeve. Nothing on the back. Got this Polo Sport fleece jacket. Nothing crazy. Size XL with the Polo Sport on the chest. Look at this bootleg Calvin Klein. It's actually kind of fire. Found this hot August Nights tee, Reno, $19.95. And then this vintage California tee. Just has all the places: San Diego, SF, LA, Palm Springs, Hollywood. Single stitch. This is the only one I actually might pick up. We'll see. Lifted anchors, size large, striped tee. Little Tommy fleece jacket for women. That's it, it's just got the flag on it. Yo, your boy just came up. Oh my god. Vintage Nike tee, single stitch. So crazy, yo. It doesn't have the Nike tag, but it is a vintage Nike tee. And look what I found that I doubled up on. Yo, you see the team? Rockets, Houston Rockets, like a hockey jersey. It's got the short sleeves, it's got lightly printed Rockets right there. And then on this arm, it says Nutmeg. And look, doubled up, second one. It says Houston Rockets on the back. Oh my god, so fire. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up in this trip to Thrift. The crazy vintage Nike. If you follow me on IG, you already seen that this piece got 1,000 likes. The vintage bootleg Nike striped tee, very crazy. Phantom of the Opera, the Cavamp joggers right here in the gray tones. Vintage Nike, plain black. This thing is like brand new. Vintage Nike tee with the big logo. The double up on the Rockets hockey jerseys, 1 and 2. The undefeated joggers, the tactical ones with the 3M hits on the back and the front. And then the bootleg vintage Nike tee, single stitch. Y'all can read this one, a little inappropriate. Boom! Vintage Berlin tee and vintage Niagara Falls
t-shirts as well. Oh, and a penny. What up, boy? Yo, what's good, guys? Excuse my sniffly nose, but your boy got allergies. That's why I had to get that Claritin. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna wrap this up right here. Your boy is super tired. It's been a long week. I'm getting through it though. I only got 1 more month of barber school, so your boy is grinding. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a trip to Thrift. I don't know. And you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game, man. The fashion, what is good?